Okay, so the next one is the kettlebell swing. So when you do this one, grab your kettlebell. Now what I like to make sure that you're doing, because it is for glutes, that it is, you are hip hinging, you are coming backwards and forwards, you are going bum out and you are leading with the bum. You are doing this. The reason I'm making the video is because I see these two things happening. I do see a lot of people like doing a squat as they're doing it. All they're doing is just squatting. That is a completely new movement. That's got nothing to do with this, okay? So it goes bum out, bum in, bum out, bum in. So this is the movement we're looking for. The other thing we're looking at is I want you to keep the kettlebell shoulder height. Another thing that I see as a common mistake is this, like the swing and then just use the arms to do it. You're defeating the point of the swing. It's not meant to be a shoulder exercise. You want to keep it on the glutes. Final note, you want to keep it shoulder height. So if you want to get your core involved at the same time, squeeze your stomach and stop it here. As soon as you go past your shoulder height, you've lost control on the core. All right, have a go.